Hi, I'm Sam Silverman. It's October of 2012, and I wanted to briefly discuss whether you have to or are required to keep the representative you have if you are for any reason unhappy. To begin with, I get calls on a regular basis from people who get my name after they've already started a case with another person representing them. Some of these people are referred to me by doctors or other attorneys or prior clients, or become aware of me through my internet website or other advertising, and decide they want to talk to me because they're not comfortable with the person who is representing them. Now, in my opinion, to start with, if you have a non-attorney representing you, you may want to call me and compare the services and decide whether you want to really do a case where you have someone who is not an attorney, not trained, has not been to law school, has not passed a bar exam, represent you. To me, the analogy that comes to mind is if you were coaching a professional sports team and you had the option of putting your best player in the game, or alternatively, you could go up in the stands and grab somebody out from behind their beer and popcorn and put them in the game. I don't think you would pick the drunk person who is eating popcorn and does not have the professional background or the training or the pedigree or resume and decide to have them play for you. I'm also, if you're with an attorney that doesn't really specialize in Social Security disability and can't tell you they're handling a high volume of cases with the judges who you are going to be assigned to, you may want to compare services as well. The other thing I would say, I get calls from people that can't get their own attorney on the phone, or work with a firm who can't tell them who's going to represent them at the day of their hearing, or when they're going to meet them, or how they're going to be prepared for their hearing. If a person who represents you can't tell you what they're doing for you, or if they're putting money into your case and talking to your doctors and trying to work up opinions from your doctors for judges to review, it could be a problem. But at any rate, the way I would explain it or advise you is if you're with somebody you're happy with who seems to be doing all those things, who is basically taking care of your case, who is financially building your case by paying what's necessary to build the evidence so that you will have the best chance to win your case, and who is a specialist that has a good reputation, you should be fine, and you should probably finish with the person you started. But if you compare what I offer on my website with what you have, and you feel that you really aren't getting anything even near the same, or if you're unhappy or can't access your attorney or be told what is going on, you can call me and I'd be happy to talk to you. Of course, it'll be confidential. I can't guarantee that I would replace somebody, but I do that on occasion, and regardless, you have nothing to lose, I suppose. So feel free to call me if you have any questions, and I'll do my best for you whether I represent you or not. And of course, if you haven't even been denied yet, I can help you for free until you actually need me. So if you're being represented by somebody at the initial application stage, you may want to really question them about what they're really doing at that point to help you have a better chance to win your case than you would have had by just applying at that point by yourself. Again, feel free to call me if you have any questions. Thank you.